Standard 2.5 asks you to describe the trial process and the role of juries in the administration of justice at the state and federal levels. So let's get started. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Virtual History 360. I'm Mr. Wade, and today we are reviewing Florida's updated civics standards. Now, this might be your introduction to the standard or a review before the EOC. Either way, we're going to work through this content together. It might sound complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it down together and you're going to be just fine. But if you aren't already subscribed to Virtual History, do yourself a favor and click the button now so that you can keep up with all of the standard review videos that will be coming out this year. So, what do you say? Are you ready to jump right in with Standard CG.2.5? Here we go. First, let's understand the significance of juries in the American legal system. Juries play a vital role in ensuring justice is served. They are made up of ordinary citizens who are chosen to decide the guilt or innocence of a person accused of a crime. Juries serve as a check on the power of the government and help ensure fair and impartial trials. Now, let's explain the types of jury trials. In the United States, we have two main types of jury trials: criminal trials and civil trials. In criminal trials, the accused person, also known as the defendant, is charged with committing a crime. A jury listens to the evidence presented by both the prosecution and the defense and determines whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. The verdict reached by a jury can have serious consequences, including potential imprisonment or fines. In civil trials, on the other hand, the dispute is usually between two parties who are seeking a resolution for a legal issue, such as a disagreement over contracts, property rights, or personal injuries. A jury in a civil trial listens to the evidence and decides who is responsible or liable for the issue at hand. The verdict reached in a civil trial can result in monetary compensation or other forms of legal remedies. Now, let's discuss how juries are selected. The process of selecting a jury is known as voir dire. During voir dire, potential jurors are questioned by the attorneys from both sides to ensure that they can be fair and impartial in the case. The goal is to select a jury that represents a cross-section of the community and can fairly evaluate the evidence and arguments presented during the trial. Finally, let's explore why jury trials are important. Jury trials provide opportunities for citizens to actively participate in the administration of justice. They allow individuals from different backgrounds to come together and make decisions based on the evidence presented in court. This democratic process ensures that decisions are not made solely by judges or other government officials, but by a group of peers who reflect the diversity of the community. Moreover, jury trials contribute to the legitimacy of the legal system. When citizens see that their fellow citizens are involved in the decision-making process, they have greater trust in the fairness and impartiality of the outcome. It also helps protect individual rights by ensuring that no one person or entity has unchecked power over the fate of others. So in conclusion, juries play a significant role in the American legal system. They help ensure justice is served by deciding the guilt or innocence of defendants in criminal trials and determining liability in civil cases. The process of selecting juries ensures a fair and impartial trial, and the participation of citizens in the decision-making process enhances the legitimacy of the legal system. Remember, the jury system is an essential part of our democracy. It represents the principle that the power to decide the fate of an individual rests with the people. By serving on juries and upholding the values of fairness and justice, we contribute to the strength and integrity of our legal system. Okay, now I know you're going to go deeper into the standard in class, but hopefully now you feel a little more confident about the content. But I do want to hear from you. Do you have any questions about what we've talked about today? If so, leave them in the comments below. Of course, while you're there, be sure to check out the link to my spring store and get yourself some awesome virtual history t-shirts like the one you see I'm wearing today. Look, it's the Supreme Court. Be sure to use code STUDENT for 10% off your entire order. Also, go ahead and hit that like button for me so YouTube knows to share this with everyone, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And check out the videos to the side over here. You can watch the rest of this playlist, my other civics videos. I have US and world history. I even have 360 videos so you can look all the way around. So do yourselves a favor because I know you're going to like them. All right? For Virtual History 360, I'm Mr. Wade. I'll see you next time.